So this is the condition of the bike. It has not run for a long time. You see, it has accumulated all the dust even though it was covered. So now I'm going to start using the bike again. And before that, it's very important to change the brake pads. You can see the brake pads are almost gone. Hopefully it is visible. So these are the Vesrah brake pads which I'm going to install, and you will need these tools, pin to basically push this pin out, a pair of pliers to remove the pin, hammer, and a long rod to basically push it back in. So I've already uploaded a detailed video on how to change the brake pads, but in this video let's quickly do it. You can watch that video if you want to go in much details. And the pads removed. So you can see the condition. The materials are almost gone, right? So this is the right time to change the brake pads. So my bike has ran almost 6,100 kilometers, and the brake pads are gone. And these are gone so early because of my mistake, which I will talk later in this video. Now the most difficult part of this change would be pushing this piston back, because you see these pads are gone and this is quite thick. So the pistons are already out and you cannot insert it in this position. So first we need to push the pistons back, and then only we will be able to install this new pads. But first let's compare if they are, this is a one-to-one fit. Okay, you can see these are quite similar, so it would be very easy to install. So the only difference which I can see is this metal plate. This one doesn't have and this one has. So I think we can transfer this metal plate onto this one, and let's try to install it. Okay, so I removed the metal plate from the old one, and let's see if it fits. Align the holes. Okay, so this was a good fit. Let's do the another one. Same way, simply align the holes and push it. The pads are ready now, and let's quickly install them now. Okay, it was not that bad. You can see I have pushed the pistons back to their reset position, and it was quite easy. Okay, so it was quite difficult to fit, but eventually it is in place now. You can see. Now let's install the pins. So it is in. Now let's put the pin back. You can see the pin is placed, locking pin is placed, and brake pads installed. So after installing, make sure the wheel is free to move. As you can see, it is the case. And the brakes are working. So these were the old ones and these are the new ones. So soon I will post a review video on this channel, so stay tuned for that. So I bought these Vesrah ceramic disc pads from LRL Motor website, and it costed me around 1525 rupees. And I decided to go with the Vesrah ceramic disc pads because of the price. It is only 1525 rupees, while the original Himalayan ones are around 3500, which are twice the price. So I will try these pads and we'll see if they are enough for my use. Then I will keep using this, or else there is no other option to buy the original Himalayan. So see you soon in a review video of this disc pad. Stay tuned. Goodbye.